Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Face ID on an iPhone 12. To begin with, you're just going to want to go to your Settings app on your iPhone and open it. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down to where it says Face ID and Passcode, and then you're going to want to tap on that. Next, it prompts you to put in the passcode for your phone, so you're going to want to put that in, and it's going to take you to this Face ID and Passcode page. You're going to want to tap on Setup Face ID. This is going to take you to a screen to set up your Face ID. So it wants you to position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So let's tap on Get Started. So position your face within the frame, and then you want to move your head in a circle until all the green lines are highlighted. Now it says first Face ID scan complete, and we're going to tap on Continue. And then it wants you to do the same thing a second time. And then it says second Face ID scan is complete, and Face ID is now set up. So we're going to tap on Done. And there you go. Your Face ID is now set up on your iPhone 12. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.